Hello, Ashley here with a quick tip for how to get pen marks out of handbags. I know that busy people on the go, they often carry pens with them, and occasionally you'll get those faint little marks. I'm going to show you a quick way to get rid of those pen marks with items you already have at home. So today we're going to be focusing on this spot here. I just did one over here, but I wanted to show you so you can see a faint little mark. It's drying up here. But what you're going to do is you're going to use just some household hairspray. I don't have any specific recommendations for hairspray. Anything that you have on hand should be fine. So today we're going to work on this little spot here. As you can see, there's two little marks. Shake up your hairspray just like you normally would. Now this can is a little bit low, so we'll see. Okay, got a little bit further out. Make sure it's saturated nice. And then I'm going to take just a little cleaning rag. We're going to scrub that spot. Now this is the inside of a Coach handbag, some interior lining. Now a lot of times you would use the fabric cleaner on the outside here of these C's, but for the inside it's a pretty durable canvas-like material. We are okay to do a hairspray trick. I did do this trick as well on a satin interior bag lining with satin, and it came out great also. So as you can see, there's a little faint spot. It just needs to dry, and boom, we got our pen marks out of our lining of our handbag. So I hope you found this tip helpful. Thanks again for watching.